Okay, so we need to look at one more, and there's a reason for this. This one's got a little twist to it, so I want to make sure that I explain it to you carefully. Twist isn't up here, though. I just forgot to write f of x equals on this side, and I didn't want to squish it. So f of x equals this thing, and we're just going to get started. Remember to find the x-intercepts. We're going to take the numerator and set it equal to 0, and then factor. So we are going to factor and solve to get the zeros. That's only in the numerator. Factors of 8 that add to 6 are 4 and 2. So we're going to have x plus 4 and x plus 2. We're going to solve these by setting them each equal to 0. And you get -4 and -2. Remember to write it as a coordinate. -4, 0 is an x-intercept. -2, 0 is an x-intercept. Always write them as a coordinate. Second phase is our y-intercept. To find our y-intercept, we are going to substitute 0 everywhere we see an x in our function. So we're going to have 0 squared plus 6 times 0 plus 8 over 0 squared plus 4 times 0 plus 4. The top is going to calculate to +8. The bottom is going to calculate to +4. And I can actually divide that. So our y-intercept is at 0, 2. Make sure you write your y-intercept as a coordinate also. Third thing, vertical asymptotes. So just grabbing my pen. Vertical asymptotes are found after you factor everything and cancel. Anything that's left over in the denominator becomes a vertical asymptote. And we already factored the top. The top is x plus 4 and x plus 2. The bottom, when I'm looking at this one, factors of 4 to add to 4, that would be 2 and 2. All positive, of course. Okay, so I'm going to cancel one top with one bottom. And whatever's left over is a vertical asymptote. So x plus 2 equals 0. And x equals -2. This is my vertical asymptote here. So far, so good. The last thing we have to do is wholes. When we do wholes, did we cancel anything? Did we reduce or cancel any factors? We did. What did we cancel? X plus 2. So if we take x plus 2 equals 0 and subtract, we get x equals -2. And and this is where it gets a little freaky, okay? Since our whole value matches our vertical asymptote value, the vertical asymptote is bigger than a whole. A whole is one coordinate point. A vertical asymptote is the whole line. So it really, you would cancel the fact that this is a whole because it gets absorbed into the vertical asymptote. Okay, so there really isn't a whole. We'll call it no other wholes. This one is in the vertical asymptote, so we don't have to find the coordinate for that because it's already included in our vertical asymptote. So just wanted to make sure that I explain that to you. If you have questions, please ask your teacher, and you guys can try one on your own, see how you do, and then it'll be time to do your assignment.